You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English vocabulary, stay tuned. There are more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from at the end of this video. Pronounced in English, sinking. English pronunciation from the verb to sink, as in synchronize. It means synchronizing, as in synchronizing your camera and a flashlight. Sinking. It's not sensing, sinking. How to pronounce sinking. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.